guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siarra if you're new. If you aren't a new subscriber, thank you guys so much again for tuning in to another video, and let's get started. So today is my 25th birthday. I am 25 today. It is November 7th, 2021. Girl is old officially. And for my birthday, I am going skydiving. Like real life skydiving. Hello.
Hi, you jumping out of an airplane today?
Yeah.
Is the video in here yet?
No, not yet.
Come on in.
All right, let's go. Holy shit. All right, bye guys. So we're here, about to sign these waivers to basically sell our souls to them. And yeah, you guys excited? This is my aunt. She's going skydiving, and then my mom. And my grandma's here for moral support. No, you're here for moral support.
Did he say I'm supposed to initiate or is he supposed to initiate? He's supposed to initiate and then there was some kind. Hey, he's the witness. He's the witness.
What's today's date? 12? I mean 12. 11.
You know today's date?
I do know. Warning, skydiving, parachuting, and all related activities.
Oh, my bad.
Warning, skydiving, parachuting, and all related activities are dangerous and may result in You messed me up. You should have never talked. Come on, you know, the camera's on.
And you can edit.
Warning, skydiving, parachuting, and all related activities are dangerous and may result in serious injury or death. Let's hope none of those happen.
Love it. So it'll be
I think that's great.
jump around north and then how you go?
So put your ideas.
So at first we were the only black people here, but some black people showed up, so you know. Oh, wait, that guy right there. But yes, so I'm not nervous. I'm actually really excited. You know, I've always wanted to do skydiving. It's on my bucket list, so let's get it done.
Back on CrossKey. Hi Siarra, how you
Hi,
doing?
good. Today's my birthday.
Birthday?
Excited.
And that's why you're all pink?
Yes, that's why I'm pink.
Alright, ready to skydive?
I am ready.
Let's go birthday skydive?
Yes.
Last words? Goodbye to anyone?
I love you all. Bye.
Bye.
Crazy, right?
That was
You're good to get up to.
All right, you can stand up if you like.
that was insane.
All right. All right, so tell me, would you do it again?
I think I would do it again.
Yeah?
I think I would.
All right, officially happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday. I'm 25.
You're 25, nice, awesome. Come over here for a photo real quick. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah!
It was cool.
It was great.
It was good. I mean, it's a little nerve-wracking, like you just literally jumping out of a plane. But it was good. Your ears are gonna pop though, because my ears is good.
Yeah.
She's like, yeah, I was like, she's doing spins up.
Holy fuck.
Oh, she's dressed perfectly. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, you're
good.
You're great.
I tried. I tried. Oh my goodness.
So I just successfully jumped out of a plane.
Yeah.
Wow.
You didn't enjoy it.
I feel like you didn't either.
No, I did enjoy it, but I was at a point where I was like, I want to go down. Like, I want to get down. Like, I want to get down. My ears was popping and it was cold.
Yeah.
That's the problem. My ears was
I was
popping.
like, I'm glad I have my car.
I just jumped out of a plane.
That was different.
It really was.
Are there,
It was
you're welcome. You're very welcome.
I was like,
There's honestly really no words to like really describe the feeling. It was really just like,
I was like, wait.
I don't even know how to describe it. Just jumped out of a fucking plane for fun.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Oh wait, we doing it right now? Oh my god. Let's do it again. Start over.
It's about me.
Oh my lord. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Hey. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Whoa. And then there's that. Happy birthday. Happy 25th birthday, baby girl. You can blow out your candles now. Oh, she's making a wish. My bad.
Lord, it's a recording.
It's okay. My bad. She could delete it. Shh. Okay, go ahead.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I really wanted to take a nap, but I never got the chance. Who's calling me? My dad. Hello?
You got potential. You got you.
Yes.
Do you want to shout yourself out?
My edge is looking.
Makeup by
Samira Beads. Hi.
already, you guys know. She did my makeup on Saturday. I mean, no, not Saturday. What was that, Friday? Friday.
Mm-hmm.
And she did my makeup today.
Period.
So, I didn't really get to... I didn't really get to talk where I was gonna try to talk to you guys. Before I left. But I was trying to say that I have dinner reservations at, well, they're not even reservations. The place doesn't take reservations, so we're gonna try to get there for 7 o'clock. It's 6:05 now. Excuse me?
I'm sorry.
It's 6:05 now, so I'm about to go home, fix up my hair. This shit is mad loud. Go home, fix up my hair, and then drive to my boyfriend's house, park my car, and then he's gonna drive. dinner. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'll see you guys in a minute. And what I think I was trying to tell you guys before is that I'm tired as hell. I have not had any sleep in like the last 48 hours. Friday, got up early, drove to Maryland, was in traffic all day. Got to Maryland, went straight to a party, was at that party until like 5 a.m. turning up, drinking, all that nonsense. Then to turn around, drive back to New York, which took probably like 3.5 hours. It wasn't as long as the drive there. And then after that, went to dinner last night with my sisters. And then today it's my birthday, so went skydiving this morning. I've been up, all right? I was knocked out while she was doing my eyes. Knocked out. I felt my head going, like, you know when you really like in a deep sleep and your head go bop. It was doing that. But yeah, I'm about to drive home, do all that jazz, and I will see you guys at dinner. Peace out. Alright guys, my birthday's over. I'm ending this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for all the birthday wishes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You want to say bye?